What's up, creators? It is Mr. Chris Roach back with the latest Instagram trend video, and Instagram has actually released their 2022 Instagram trend report. They sat 1,200 people down between the ages of 13 and 24 and asked them about all the latest issues: beauty, fashion, social justice. I delved straight into that so you guys don't have to, and in this video I'm going to be covering the most important trends from that report. These young next gen people are the people that set the trends, so if we follow this, you should be able to get some great results on Instagram throughout 2022. Instagram starts with the report by talking about fashion and beauty, two things I have absolutely no idea about. But in this case, I'm going to take the advice of the 1,200 people they interviewed because they're all next gen and probably a lot more fashionable than me. The report starts by saying, leisure wear is completely out. We spent the last 2 years inside. We need a complete break and change from that. Maximalist fashion is coming in. You're going to see a lot of people dressing as goths, a lot of people being more out there with their clothing choices, and essentially it's just expressionism. It's people being happy that they're allowed to go out and wear what they feel comfortable wearing. The report also says clean skincare routines are going to be a lot more in style. You're going to see a lot more fashion influencers posting about that, and this vegan clean approach to your face and skincare routines is going to be one of the biggest trends of 2022. Instagram then goes on to talk about the next trend, which is shopping. In a surprise to absolutely no one, thrift stores are meant to get even bigger in 2022. I think we saw the rise of Depop in 2021. The report says that over a quarter of young people actually want to focus more on sustainable. The report also says that over 50% of people are tired of their current online retailers, and they really want to start focusing on purchasing on new platforms such as Instagram just because of how easy it is. The next trend that Instagram talks about is music, and again, this isn't going to be a surprise to anyone, but short form music is here to stay. Like, TikTok is massive, and I absolutely love TikTok's platform now. I love Instagram's platform, and I love that short form content, which reminds me, if you guys don't follow me as yet, please do click that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me, and also feel free to follow me on Instagram. 1 in 3 people say they're excited for new dance challenges this year. I don't necessarily know how much I believe that, but if it's here to stay, I'm gonna get onto TikTok and I'm gonna get my dance challenges on. The next trend is probably one of the most important in this entire trend report, and I think it gives such a fascinating insight into a generation which was completely overlooked over the last few years. So essentially, it's redefining the 9 to 5, and the report talks about your careers and how young people are reporting to that. So let me just read some statistics. 87% of Gen Z agree that too many people are forced to work multiple jobs to make their ends meet. True. 63% of Gen Z agrees that XYZ here has made me reassess my career goals. Totally agree with that as well. In fact, 71% agree I'd rather have a meaningful job even if it means that I make less money. So they're just taking their career choices into their own hands, and I think that is so admirable, and I don't necessarily know how that actually transcends onto an influencer platform, but I think just having that awareness that kids are going to have this new approach to life, I think at least that gives us real optimism for the future. The report then goes to talk about my favorite trend, which is food. I've spent so much of my career in the food industry. I was a food influencer as well. I still make food YouTube videos, and what it says made me so proud. It says that the next generation is going to place a keen focus on their culinary abilities and focus so much on mixology, drinking at home, really saving money, and they're also going to place an emphasis on more sustainable foraging techniques and just really getting that farm to table. If you are a food influencer, I would really take this advice on board, because at the moment I don't really see anyone creating foraging content or mixology content at scale. That's a great place to focus on, and that will really give you a niche among a very crowded marketplace. The next trend that Instagram talks about is social justice. Social justice is obviously such an important trend to them because of the recent news around can they do more to stop racism on their platform. But essentially what the report says, that in 2022, people are going to be even more active when it comes to social justice. They're going to be more politically inclined to express their views, but Also, more than ever, they're more likely to give to social justice issues than ever before. The final trend, which is a very cool one, is gaming. Where would we be without you gamers? The report says that live streaming is going to be even bigger this year, and if you really want to grow your following, you need to focus on live streaming, showing off what you guys have to offer. It also says you guys want to see more collaborations like Balenciaga, Fortnite, more fashion collaboration for your avatars. That is everything that you guys need to know about the 2022 trend report. And if you did like this video, please do hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok for more social media advice, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.